Cleaning your eyeglasses without leaving streaks involves a gentle and effective approach to remove dirt, smudges, and oils. Here are some steps you can follow to clean your glasses without leaving streaks. 1. Use a microfiber cleaning cloth which is designed specifically for cleaning eyeglasses. Microfiber is gentle and effective at picking up dirt and oils without scratching the lenses. 2. Rinse your eyeglasses under lukewarm water to remove any loose debris or dust. Avoid hot water, as it can damage certain lens coatings. 3. Apply a small amount of dish soap. Apply a small drop of mild dish soap to each lens. Avoid using regular household cleaners or products with ammonia, as they can damage lens coatings. 4. Use your fingertips to gently rub both sides of each lens. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. 5. Rinse the glasses thoroughly under lukewarm water to remove the soap. Make sure there's no soap residue left on the lenses. 6. Gently shake the glasses to remove excess water. Hold them upside down to allow water to drain away from the lenses. 7. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to gently dry the lenses. Start from the center of the lens and move outward in a circular motion. This helps prevent streaks. 8. Hold your glasses up to the light and check for any streaks or smudges. If you notice any, repeat the cleaning process. Additional tips: avoid using tissues or paper towels. These materials can be abrasive and may scratch your lenses. Avoid your shirt or clothing. While it's a common instinct to use your shirt to clean your glasses, the fabric may contain dust or debris that can scratch the lenses. Store your glasses properly. When you're not wearing your glasses, store them in a protective case to prevent dust and scratches. Regularly cleaning your glasses with these gentle methods can help maintain their clarity without leaving streaks or scratches. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.